This is, hey guys, this is part 3. Maybe I can, I have an idea. Okay, block that right there. You guys see what I'm doing? And now I do this. Do that. Do this. Do that. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to risk my life. That hurted. It's fine. Run. No! Oh, hey, Bose, I need this. Sorry, Bigfoot, that I'm stealing this. I can hide in here. Go. Oh, out of my way. Come on. Whoa, trident. Gotta get out of here. Okay. I think I lost him. Oh. Man, this is not a good place to be. I can barely see a thing. Like, I can barely see a thing, guys. Why can I barely see a thing? It's fine. Guess we're just stuck in this cave now. Ah! More lava? Are you kidding me? I am not smart. I'll see you guys on the next part, which might be the last one because I'm trying to escape Bigfoot. Alright, see you guys on the next one, which is part 4. Yeah, it's going to be part 4. Bye, guys.